In the early 1990s, Textron began testing a new transonic business jet, the Citation 750, or Citation 10. Pilots whispered that by disabling certain circuit breaker warnings, some of these jets quietly went supersonic without much effort or public recognition. As testing continued, engineers pushed the prototype higher and faster, chasing the edge of transonic flight. What began as a simple speed trial soon became an experiment in aerodynamics and control. Textron engineers discovered that with a shallow descent, about 5 degrees nose down, and a light fuel load at high altitude, the jet could easily slip past Mach 1. For a few fleeting seconds, Textron's flagship business jet slipped into the supersonic realm, quietly rewriting what was thought possible.